Use the grid below to input the solution of the systems of equations in terms of x. So our first equation is 14x plus 9y equals 5. And our second equation is 25x plus 18y equals 3. We will begin by finding what y is in the first equation and take what y is and plug it in for y in the second equation in order to find the value of x. So our first equation is 14x plus 9y equals 5. And as I said, we're going to try to find y for this. So you need to isolate y by subtracting 14x over, which cancels out the 14x's on the left side and puts them on the right. So now we have 9y is equal to 5 minus 14x. And lastly, to get y completely alone, we divide by 9 on both sides. The 9's cancel out on the left-hand side, and we have y equals 5 over 9 minus 14/9 x. Now, in order to find the value of x, we're going to take the second equation, so 25x plus 18, and now that we know what y is equivalent to, we're going to plug 5/9 minus 14/9 x equals 3. We're going to start by distributing the 18 to the 5/9 and the negative 14/9. To do this, we must remember that 18 is equivalent to 18 over 1. So we first need to do 18 over 1 times 5/9. 18 times 5 is equal to 90, and 1 times 9 is equal to 9. So right now we have 25x plus 90 over 9 is equivalent to 10. Now we need to do 18 over 1 times negative 14/9. So we have 18 times negative 14 is equal to negative 252. And of course, 1 times 9 is 9. Negative 252 divided by 9 is equivalent to negative 28. And so we have to carry over the x, so it's 25x plus 10 minus 28x is equal to 3. Now we're going to combine like terms. So 25x minus 28x is negative 3x plus 10 equals 3. Now we're going to isolate x by subtracting 10 over. We have negative 3x is equal to negative 7. And our last step is to divide negative 3x by negative 3, canceling out the negative 3's on the left, dividing negative 7 by negative 3, and we have x equals 7/3. To graph this, you would do 7-3, bubble in the corresponding numbers and symbols, and there's your answer.